initially, since the beginning, it has been opposing Telangana state, and their alliance with Bharatiya Janata Party and Narendra Modi, with the combination of Chandrababu Naidu and Venkaiah Naidu, who have been opposing the Telangana formation and who have venom, poison against Telangana, is being proved that once the government, the NDA government is formed, Chandrababu Naidu, who is bringing this immediate ordinance through Prime Minister Modi ji of Polavaram, it is not necessary that they do it in such a hurry situation. In the first cabinet meeting, it shows how much of anti-Telangana is going to happen, and that is why we as Congress party, we have been speaking initially to Telangana people that bringing NDA or bringing Bharatiya Janata Party is definitely going to cause damage for Telangana state, because if Congress party would have been, as we have given Telangana on the people's demand, not because of anyone who has been speaking. Kishan Reddy, who is the Bharatiya Janata Party president, he has used a very bad statement saying that Sonia Gandhi ji might get afraid of KCR, but Chandrababu Naidu or Modi will not get afraid of KCR. That is a very bad statement which we condemn, because Sonia Gandhi ji has not got afraid of anyone and given Telangana. She has given Telangana because she has realized the martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for Telangana, the demand that entire people's sentiment, she has realized that yes, it is a justified demand, and that is why she has sacrificed the Seemandhra party there and she has given the Telangana here. But it is not for power. But the people have failed in realizing, and they have voted here also in Telugu Desam party. And today, the people of Hyderabad are realizing a mistake. Why they have voted Telugu Desam party? Because immediately once NDA has formed the government, Chandrababu Naidu, who is the Andhra CM, who is forgetting that his boundaries limit only to Seemandhra districts, is demanding that the Shamshabad airport, which is named after Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, should be changed to NT Ramarao. Though we have respect towards NT Ramarao ji, but we request Chandrababu Naidu that he should take care of the affairs of the Seemandhra state, but not, he doesn't have any interference in the Telangana state. He is the Chief Minister of Seemandhra, and if the name of Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, which is the Shamshabad airport, changes, then definitely entire Telangana youth will react over this. We are not going to stay silent, because we do not want a Seemandhra name for the international airport. We want a name who has been a people's choice. But if Chandrababu Naidu, who is Andhra CM, who is going to dictate terms, then the Telangana people are not going to be silent. We are not going to listen to them. His dictatorship should run only in Seemandhra. He cannot use his pawns. He cannot use a remote control against the Telangana people through Ashok Gajapati Raju or to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We want to request even Narendra Modi ji also that he should come